For today's first send, we're gonna do some cinema style type shite, where Ronan's gonna take the mom van and we're gonna kind of get up on it. So we're gonna do little transitions where it's gonna go from cinema to explanation. I don't know, we'll see where this video goes. Let's go. Got the whole jack, gotta use the whole thing. This is what friends are for, I say, man. Can you just like jack it up? This man jacked it up to the 13th inch of its limit. He's like, yeah, just drop it down. Look at this guy, get his face. He has no idea. Uh-oh. Alright, so that was the first segment. Second segment, I'm just gonna let you guys watch and tell me what you think, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with the police officer himself. The name?
Thomas.
What's your Instagram, Thomas?
It's Big Boy Tom.
Are you really a cop?
I might be, I might not be.
No, for real, are you really a cop?
No. Hell no.
I hope you guys enjoy that shit. Alright, so we just got to the drift track and what the fuck is this, bro?
We're in the wild and the little go-kart's broken he got for Christmas. And
Stop turning on.
Alright, so time to put on the Christmas suit and we're switching to the GoPro, boys. See you out there. Actually, well, fun fact, so these things go like 80 miles an hour. I don't own one, so we're renting this one. And we're just gonna go fucking send it, boys. Let's get it. Bro, honestly, I'm the full like Iran color. I had to do this for my country, by the fuck yeah. Hey, listen, who wants to bet $100 I get the fast time down? Let's do $300 total prize pool. 100, 100, 100.
I'm not gonna bet.
But you have to get a regular card.
I'm shaped like an obese whale.
Imagine this entire time he's like driving slow on purpose, you know, fucking hustler. All right, let's do it.
This motherfucker, we make a bet. He goes and gets these goddamn Formula 1 fucking tires, bro. We're still rocking like -10 tread. This guy over here was kind enough to pass me his hand-me-down tires. He got brand new slicks and he was nice enough to give me the ones he just took off his car to put onto my rental go-kart. But we're still making this bet. Bag it. Alright, to be like honest, I don't know who won, but it doesn't even matter. After doing all this go-kart racing, I feel like fucking sending it, boys. See you guys either tonight, another night, but I'll see you guys at night. It's tough to get in the car, but I just want to show people the dedication. Come on.
Look at the width of
the width of the seat and the width of this man's waistband. Jump in. Show me. Look at this, bro. Alright, boys, let's get it.
So, okay, so you're not getting in the car?
No, you're gonna test it. You're gonna go straight.
I can see pretty well on my goggles. Okay, there's something really close to my fucking face. Dude, fuck off. Why are you're trying really hard not to laugh? Why do I hear breathing? I'm gonna fucking run this into your face right now. I'm gonna fucking run this into your goddamn face right now!
Hey, stop. Okay, boys. Time for the descent. Let's get it. Alright mates, welcome to the back seat. This is going to be a back seat Aussie talk mixed with a little bit of Britain.
Aussie talk.
As you can see, Yo-Yo's right there. And here we are. So it appears his gimbal is not loosened, is that right?
That's not really the problem, mate. It's because the base plate here has been put on by the fucking Hulk.
The Hulk?
So, yeah, so we don't know how to get it off. We've tried everything. Dylan's even tried his mega strength.
Yeah, Dylan, show us your muscles.
Alright, guess he doesn't. He's a little shy.
Name him on.
He's a little shy
Oh
right
fuck,
now.
we got a helicopter coming full speed.
Oh no, we do.
Oh shit.
Fuck, mate. I'm gonna break the camera away.
Yeah, is this really happening? Hopefully in the next 5 seconds it ain't flooded because we do have permits. I got the paperwork right here. Actually, our permit starts in about 10 minutes, so we figure we have an Aussie break. And
okay.
yeah, are you ready?
I've been ready. Yeah.
You know, we had this guy follow us on a fucking Trackhawk and he fell behind. The fucking van got here before him.
Yeah.
How fucking sad? Sad?
It's pretty sad, mate. Yeah.
I
thought he made a wrong
wait,
turn.
he might be it. Wait. I hear a V8.
Okay, no, that's different.
What the fuck is that, mate? It's a fucking Volvo and a Mazda.
Oh, there he is!
Oh, I knew it! Oh, I knew it! Yes, I knew it! So this is the one at Trackhawk that took like 6 centuries to catch up to us. Is this really a Trackhawk rivet?
Rivet?
Rivet? And how the hell did you... Okay, it's real. It's real. I got it. Alright, so what's going to happen is you're going to have to chase us from the back.
I can chase you. No problem.
You have an accent too?
I have an accent too,
What
man.
have you
Hold on, mate. You fucking Brisbane.
I'm fucking top G, man.
Oh, fuck, man. We knew it.
Top
I wonder
G.
if the other guy is fucking Australian in my car too. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's get the drift going, yeah? Let's run it. Let's fucking run it. Alright mates, we're in the Trackhawk right now. We're gonna go get some stuff for Yo-Yo. And shout out to Kart View. He told me to send it. Ready?
Oh my god!
Oh shit! Hey mate, I could do it down and if it's alright.
Do it. Fuck it.
Fuck it mate, let's go over here, let's do it down the trick.
Problem is it's all-wheel drive.
Ah, don't worry. It's alright.
How is this possible?
Ladies and gentlemen, the sends have been complete. A special thanks to the fucking guy right here, the Aussie. Come on. Just want to give a special thanks to Ronan. This is his channel right here. And yeah, we want to thank you for the cinematography to let you guys understand that in the conditions we're working with, for it to even look this good, is tough. Am I right?
It is very tough.
It's very dark. He's hanging out of a van. He wasn't strong enough to like
I got dust in my foot. It wouldn't be strong enough. Hold on,
He wasn't strong enough to like loosen the rig so you could put it on another rig.
I gave you the same rig and you couldn't do it either.
I know, but it's not my rig, so you're supposed to do it yourself.
Oh, we got me there.
Anyways, mate, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I haven't done an outro for a long time. I almost forgot what to say. In the meantime, don't forget, boys, like, comment, subscribe. My name's Zara. These are Cars. Cars. Bye. Peace.